Hi guys, so as usual, you know, I already filled in my brows off camera. I filled them in with Iman's Perfect Eyebrow Pencil, and I didn't add any extra powder. I just left it how it was and ended up with Fenty Beauty 390 concealer. Background about Iman. She's a Somali American fashion model. She's an actress and an entrepreneur, and she was a former muse of tons of designers, and she's also noted for her philanthropic work. I am going in with my Jackie Aina palette for my soft glam today. I am going into Edges in Ginger, Big Wig, Pinker, and Shookington. So I'm going into the neutral crease colors and the purples for my crease. Spit a few facts for you guys. So Jackie Aina is a Nigerian American beauty YouTuber, and she advocates for the visibility of people of color in the cosmetic industry. And I feel like that's so big nowadays, mainly because we're forgotten about a lot of the times. And it's insane because, I mean, we have coins too. So you guys are neglecting a whole group of people that would really put coins in your pocket if you genuinely cared and you were concerned. But you know, she's partnered with tons of brands, obviously Anastasia Beverly Hills, and she's also partnered with Too Faced for the extension of their foundation line, and she's done like such amazing things with that. You know, it's extended to the point where all women of color can be able to choose a color foundation and wear it. And I think that's a blessing, because a lot of the times we're stuck with like those 3 little shades at the end of the spectrum, and then we're forced to say, okay, well, I have to be one of these, when quite frankly we are not. I'm going to go into Pinker and Big Wig. I'm mixing them and I'm placing them right on top. So many opportunities where we'd be able to like break through. Like, look at Jackie making a way for us in the cosmetic industry. She's using her platform for awareness and inclusivity, which it's like vital, and I'm so grateful for that. I hope to be able to make that sort of change sometime in my future, because we still have a lot of work, whether it's in the beauty industry and in any other field in industry. There's still a lot that needs to be done. So I'm going into Shookington and I'm placing that right on my lid. Into that brush that I used Pinker and Shookington on, and blend that out. And then back with another brush just to blend out the edges so it looks seamless. So I'm going with my foundation, and I'm using the Beauty Bakery's Cake Mix Demi Matte Foundation in number 17. Now, this brand was created by a woman named Cashmere, and she worked as a nurse, and she had a near-death experience. She had cancer, and she actually created the line, and then it just took off, and all of her products have like a baking influence to it. There's like so much on her backstory, but this is just like something brief. But everything has like baking influenced into it. It's so cute. I've ordered from them before, and I like everything from them, especially this foundation. Like, this foundation is so bomb. It makes me look super flawless, and it doesn't wash me out. It still gives me my color even though I'm a little pale. I'm going to go with my Fenty Beauty concealer in 390 Now this brand was created by none other than Rihanna Fenty. And as you know, Riri does everything from music to lingerie, fashion, and now beauty. So now I'm going in with my Beauty Bakery Flour Powder in the color Cassava. I'm going with my Iman Luxury Press Powder in Earth Dark. I matched myself online. I know, I'm crazy. However, I was determined because I needed a new powder, and I've heard about these. My friend has all of them, so I was like, you know what? Let me try this out. So I'm just going to tap that all over. Now that that's done, I'm going to go in with my brush and bronzer duo from the Lip Bar in Sleeping In Bubble Bath Staycation. Now, the Lip Bar was created by a Detroit native named Melissa Butler, and she went to Florida A&M University. She has a degree in finance, and sis was on Shark Tank. However, they did not invest in sis business. But, you know, from there, she pretty much decided to continue on, even though, and her brand has, like, flourished. It's so amazing. Like, I love her products. It's hard to find a bronzer that actually gives you what you want and what you need. And it's stressful because the last bronzer that they had that was bomb, the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer and Ebony Bronze, boy, when I tell you, like, it's hard to find it now. So, you know what, there's so many other brands that I just rather much support that are giving me what I need as well, versus chasing something that, like, barely exists anymore, which is so sad. I'm going to go into Bubble Bath and put that on my cheeks. It's super shimmery and pretty. On top of that, I'm going in with my Jackie Aina in the Bronze collab. And I'm just going to add that on top. So now I'm going to go in with my lip liner, the Perfect Lip Pencil by Iman in the color Spice. And I am going to line these lips, honey. Going in with the brand Indigo for my lip. This is a beautiful matte nude color, and it's in the color Bottoms Up. So I met these lovely ladies at IMATS. You know, I was like circling, and you know, I said, oh, you know, there's no other brands here. So then I saw them and I was like, hey, they look like me. So I instantly already knew this is gonna work. So I said, okay, let me roll over there. And everybody was super nice. Their mom was there. She was super sweet. I ended up getting a picture with them. So if you scroll down on my Instagram, you will see them on my page. I took like a group picture with everybody. You know, it was super inspiring to see women who look like me having their own brand and being at IMATS, which is like, it's huge because you bump into so many different influential people at IMATS. It's insane. And now I'm going in with my gloss. Now this is my first product from Auntie Pat, okay, Pat McGrath. And when I tell you sis is expensive, she's expensive, honey. This lip gloss was $30. And I think this was actually sold out online when I checked, if I'm not mistaken. Or it wasn't in the store, but then when I went to the store, I saw it. So I was like, it's meant to be, it's coming home with me. So this is in the color Faux Real. Pat is a British makeup artist, and she is most known for using her hands. And she's been called one of the most influential makeup artists by Vogue, and she was also featured in Times 100 influential people. So this is the look I am going to throw on my wig, and I'll be back. So here we are, back with the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this soft glam look, and also me featuring brands that were influenced or created by women I'm super happy to do that, especially because it is Black History Month, okay? We need more knowledge about Black History Month, and we also need more Black-owned brands. They should be implementing more history in some of these schools so these kids can know. Some of us had it first, okay? We had it first. We were the first ones to influence, okay? So yeah, guys, as usual, thanks for watching, and until next time.